So let's say for the people who fills the form, you want to go ahead and have an autoresponder email, like notifying them that they filled the form. So if you want to go ahead and do that, first of all, in your form, make sure there's an email section. If you don't have an email section, simply go ahead on to add element, and then from under the basic, you can go ahead and select email. But anyways, in my case, I already have the email section. So I'm just going to go around over here under settings, and then I'm going to go to emails. So here you can see that autoresponder email is an option. So it says send an email to the person who fills out the form. So let's just go ahead and click, and you can change around right here. So it says we have received your response right here, just like this. Or I can go ahead and change out the text as I like to regarding right here instead of for. So I can go ahead right here. You can change around how this actually is as well. So you got the Jotform logo. You can go ahead and change it out as you like right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, the information you filled are as follows. So you can go ahead and type this in as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and in the recipient, you can see that this is what you have. Send a name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say TutuTube Jotform is going to be the name. Reply to email is going to be my email address. And the recipient email, you can see that you can select a section. So since we already have an email section, you can go ahead and select it out right here. You can even go to advanced, so you can see that automatically trigger the email when a specific action occurs, and that is when a submission is received, or when it is edited, you might want to go ahead and then send out the email as well. Apart from that, you can see that it says select PDFs to attach to this email, so you can go ahead and attach it as a document as well. You can even enable PDF passwords for the PDFs that you send right here. So there's many options, as you can see right here. So, but I don't want to go ahead and enable all of this. So you can see it says send email later as well. So you can delay it for a certain day right here after they fill the form as well. Apart from that, you can hide the empty fields, that is, do not show any unanswered fields. And then you can even update the email automatically when the form is edited as well. But I don't want any of it. I just want a simple response email. So I'm just going to go around over here and set this out right here. And then I'm going to click on save email. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the publish section and open this form in a new tab. Let's say for example, so let's just go ahead and add in my name and add in an email address. I'm just going to go around over here and then type into tutubechannel3@gmail.com, and let me just go ahead and submit it, and it says thank you right there. And then in a while, you'll the other user right here will receive an email like this. So it says TutuTube Jotform, as you can see right there. So if I were to go ahead and click, it says this is the information that you filled. It says TutuTube Jotform in the sender right here. And then you can see the details that you filled up right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and enable the autoresponder mail setting inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.